Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. So today is going to be Tuesday. We have 8 more days and 17 hours to close the monthly time frame, and we have targets down to $10 and $6 and $4. So 4 pending targets, by the way. I'm looking forward for Solana at the moment. And now it really depends on what you do in the next 8 days. So if you do come down to $10 in the next 8 days, or maybe perhaps $6. Now, if you look at the monthly, this November has been really red, and it's a very rare scenario where you have the Q4, and the Q4 means October, November, and December, the 4 months, the last 4 months of the year. They normally are green. If you look at the history, they're normally green. Like if you look back here, yeah, I mean, it didn't happen with Solana, of course, but for the most part of the crypto, that November really is green. But this time, it doesn't seem like we had any luck with some green candles in the Q4 in November or October or even December. So it seems like the Q4 is all going to be red, like November red, December being red, and then potentially from January till February we start to make some very good progress at the moment. I don't really need to talk about Solana. I've been talking about Solana in detail. We do know we have flags, and we do know we have $10 on the cards, and potentially we could get that $10 today or tomorrow in the next coming 1, 2, 3 days. I guess we're gonna have that technical target. It's not far. We're already sitting at 11.4. We came from a whopping $39, and that's actually a drop from there to there of nearly 70%. We continue down to $10, and you're looking for 73%. We go down to $6, and that's going to be 84%. And then you go all the way down to $4, and that's 90 or 89%. So right now, coming down to $4 is the zone that I'm really interested to see what Solana does, and I don't expect any positive sign in the next month as well. I mean, December can also be deceptive and red again along with November, but January could be the start of things to slowly turn around, and February picks up and March picks up. But then again, it depends if you're going to hold that line that I draw down in the $4, because once again you only have that one support here, second support there, and then you come down, and that's going to be this support. Actually, I said support, it's actually resistance here that you broke out of, and coming down and holding it as support is what only makes sense, because you don't have any other level of support on a monthly time frame. It all comes down to that level 3.89, $4, you can say whatever, or let's say 3.5 to $4 is the next level of big support that I could be expecting for Solana moving forward. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. See you again at $10 and $6 and probably $4 as well in the next coming months. And by the way, before I close the video, you do have the signals opened up, and join the Discord, because I really need you to join the signals this time, because I have a plan for you. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.